I'm going to be explaining how you can restore a deleted file or document. It's possible to restore anything that has been erased on KOps. So anything in the library, issues, queries, or equipment can be restored after it's been deleted. So I'm going to click on the library, for example. So this shows all of our current documents. So in order to restore a deleted document, we can just click on this funnel icon. And there you have the options to filter by type, source, status, and etc. We're just going to click on this deleted option here. And as you can see, these are all the different documents that have been deleted in the past. So in order to restore it, you can click on one document or you can select multiple documents. So if those are the ones that I want to restore, I would select them both, and then I would click this recover option, and then confirm that yes, you do want to recover these. And then I'm going to reset all filters. And then as you can see, these are the two documents that are back in our library now. So similarly, we can do the same with the issues. So click on the funnel icon, press the delete it. And then if I want to restore this nail sticking out, I would just select it, press the recover option, confirm that, reset the filters. And then similarly, we've got the nail sticking out back into the issues now.